the footwells are massive.
Oh, you know what? Battery switch.
Oh yeah, back on that left side.
No, I never got the battery switch on it. I mean the cutoff switch we talked about.
Oh, we gotta close this.
Okay.
Start it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, Super's delight. Sounds good.
Got a fuel alarm.
I don't know, it just says check your surroundings.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably low fuel.
Alright. I probably ought to show you how to. You familiar with these?
No, I've never seen this before.
So if you don't do this right, you'll regret it.
Okay.
I'll just wrap this up real quick.
Man, can you imagine like
So these things will blow out if they're not in right cleanouts. Okay. So they go in and twist a certain way. I mean, I'm sure that you'll be fine with it. But I want you to see it.
yeah, I definitely appreciate it. As far as tips and tricks.
You guys, what it'll do is it'll start it up if it isn't in all the way, you'll get going, it'll blow that thing out, and it'll blow this whole deck up. If it's not locked in right. Oh, it's not sticking up.
I didn't see a cool road there. That's really cool.
Kind of beauty.